Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all fine and welcome again in this new video, which will be about what you have read from the beginning. So you already know what we are going to do in this video. It's about an enterprise enrollment removing, which means this Chromebook, it's on HP1 is locked, so we have to remove the enrollment. The history of the machine, as you have read from the beginning, was in other shop, and they have tried. So it's other shop who sends this laptop here. They have done Bios flashing, OC flashing, Chrome OS hard reset, and even a fresh installation of Chrome OS. Nothing of that solved the problem, and we still have a beautiful padlock which appears in the screen. Here it is. So this Chrome can't be used like this. We can't use it for anything like this. We have to get the desktop in which we can work. Otherwise, it will be useless. Sorry. So we have to remove this enrollment. So how to remove the enrollment? In fact, to remove like these issues on Chromebooks, as you can see here, as you can read, your device is locked. So let me just zoom for you a little bit. I can't zoom that big because there's some info which I don't want you to read. So your device is locked, and here this device is locked by, and there's the name of the school or enterprise which locked it. So this machine is should be used by a unique user to which this machine is enrolled, or if a user has activated the enrollment on his Chrome OS, then he's the only one who can use it. You can do hard reset or flash or new or Chrome OS installation. Nothing of that will remove this. So what we will do is to patch the main BIOS. So screws already removed. Let's open. It will power. So let me wait for. I have to shut it down first before opening, so it should be opened from here. It's now I can power off. That's it. Again, power off. It's off now. So let's open and have a look. So I already have one idea about what's going on with this. So there will be traces of work near the BIOS chips. So it seems like the motherboard hasn't been removed, and here's the chips. Yes, so the motherboard hasn't been removed because the chips are here from this side. So in fact, yes, we don't need to. We just have to pay attention not to burn the battery or this edge. Okay, this, let me magnifier, get a magnifier. Okay, so this one here at the top should be the main. Yes, it's the main. 25 U 64 FW. It's this one is the OC. We don't have to touch this one, the OC. We have to read the main BIOS and patch it, then read it, write it back to the ship, write back the file to the ship, and then solder the ship again on the board. And if still there's that beautiful padlock on the screen, we will do hard reset or Chrome OS reset. If still, then just then we have to do fresh or new Chrome OS installation. But first thing first, the main BIOS should be patched. Okay, the only way of removing the enrollment from Chrome devices, I'm going to use LBE to patch the BIOS. We already have that feature on LBE++, so I won't waste time on working on the dump file. It takes a lot of time to find the blocks which we have to work on. So let me clean this too. So as I said, we are going to use LBE++. Easy and quick. Let's put our BIOS chip here. We will need 1.8 adapter. So 1.8 volt chip can be known from the FW, which follows after the number 64 or any other number depending on the BIOS chip size. Okay, orientation. Pay attention to the orientation of the BIOS chip on Mini Pro, not like RT, which doesn't matter if you put it on the opposite. So on Mini Pro, with Mini Pro, if you swap or if you flip the chip, you will burn it. So pay attention. So let me share with you the work on the other screen. Just 1 second. Yeah, let's open here. Okay, let's see if it can be detected. Yes. Okay, select read. In fact, I don't need the file which is in the BIOS right now. I already have the original file received via WhatsApp. So meanwhile this is reading, let me open WhatsApp on the other screen. So sorry, let me search it. Okay, I got it. Here it is. I don't want to show my contacts, so let's just, so I have the OC, I have the main. Let's download the main. Let's put on desktop and create another folder. Let's keep new folder, open, save, close. We have our new folder here. So here is our file. Read, finish, cancel. So as I said, I don't need this one. I am going to use the original one, as I have asked the guy to send me the original one. Better to use the original one. You can use any other dump of any other identical machine. If it's not corrupted, it will work, but it won't remove the enrollment. You will receive the same names, the same name of the enterprise which enrolled it, the same name of the person who has to use even if you change the dump. So which means that enrollment in fact is not removed only in the main BIOS, but it has to be removed elsewhere. So to do that, you have to patch the original dump of your Chromebook. So let's remove the enrollment from the binary file first. Okay, there's another instance of LBE. Okay, it's already running, so that's perfect. That saves me a lot of time. So extra security tools, Chrome enrollment. Let me zoom. Okay, and we go to extra security tools and Chrome enrollment here. Let's open our file. It's on desktop, it's on new folder here. Open. Yes, it has enrollment. So as you can see here, enrollment active in this system. We have this, which we can use in case of there's compute race also active on the machine. Otherwise, you just check and fix enrollment. You just push this button, and here is your patch ready for use. Let's reduce this. Let's go to our programmer, close this. The main folder is reopened by the LBE automatically. Let's check this blank here, blank check. Let's open the file. So it's on desktop, it's new folder here. So it's desktop, new folder here, this one. Okay, let's program. Close this, we don't need it anymore. I hope we won't get any warning, any message, any error. Otherwise, we will repeat from the start. So let's wait for our programmer to do its job. Meanwhile, sorry, I will take a look in Telegram. Okay. So what's new here? I'm just checking our LBO community group on Telegram. Send a request to help with. Okay. Seems calm. software data protection disabled. So if ever we will need a new installation, I already have made a USB. Let me fetch it. So I already have made a bootable USB stick with the OS for this model. And to do that, you just need to download this Chrome recovery utility, Chromebook recovery utility, which you open like this, and you select your model here. Like for example, in our case, it's HP, and it's 11G5E, this one. You continue like this, and there you select your USB flash drive, and you push continue until you finish, until your USB flash drive is finished within this, and then you close, and you will use it to directly install a new Chrome OS on your device. So Chromebook recovery utility, you just search for it in the internet and you download. So you download from chrome.google.com. you download from here. It's just an extension which will be added to your Google Chrome browser. And you just launch it from here. Okay, so it's easy, but you have to choose the right model. So if you made a mistake here, so you will get an error, or your flash drive won't be detected by the Chromebook, or I don't know. So I didn't worked a lot on these Chromebooks, especially new installation. Anyway, pay attention to choose the right model. So let's put this USB stick aside. If we will need it, we will use it. Otherwise, that would be perfect. If we don't need it, I will save some time. I hope I won't need any of that. So now programming successful. Let's cancel, let's close, reduce this, and so my programming is finished. Now let's remove and flash first the programmer, remove the sheep, and let's put it like this and put it in its place. Okay, that's fine. Let's put back the viewership. I may need to add some flags here. I really dislike this kind of flags these guys have used on this one. So it's As you can see from the color, either they have used the bad flags, or they have used hot air a lot in here in this place until this flax is burned. Anyway, let's add some flax, and now let's power the hot air station. Where is the shape here? The orientation. The attention to the orientation. That's fine. Let's put it right in place. Okay. Adjust. Perfect. Let's wait some time before frying. So to adjust this antenna cables. It'll be like this. Perfect. Let's put my signature inside. In case it comes back, I will know that I have already done it. In fact, I will note down everything: serial number, model name, everything is recorded or registered in my desktop. But I will put this to here, another one on any screw here. That's perfect. So let me show you how it looks. So this is I use it a lot in case your laptop or any machine returns back. If I found this inside, I already know, then I know I've already dealt with it. Also, I find it in the system if I search for serial number. But anyway, this also helps to know if it's opened before coming back. Now it's full. Let's put back this cover. Okay. And do I have to? Yes, I forgot something. Battery. Have to touch the battery. It's so. I was about to say if I do have to press this cover or wait till the end, but anyway, nothing to lose. Let's just adjust it in place. It won't work like this now. We should trigger it by adapter or wait some time. Let's see if it will come up. Or come on. See if it will come on. Come on, come on, come on. Let's put power. Will come by itself. No chromes. Powers by themselves without pushing the power button. I hope we will not need any further work, which I doubt. Network not available. Let's. Oh, we got it. Okay, no issue. Let's power off. Let's do hard reset. Escape, refresh button, and power button for 3 to 5 seconds. Release. Okay. Chrome OS is missing or damaged. Please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card. Let's just press on Ctrl D at the same time, and to turn OS verification off, press enter. Your system will reboot and local data will be cleared. Yes, enter. We don't need any local data. OS verification is off. Press space to re-enable. Okay, space. Press enter to confirm you wish to turn OS verification on. Enter. OS verification is on. Your system will reboot and local data will be cleared. If it's done by hard reset, it will be fine. Otherwise, we will do fresh install. English. So we have English, United States, and here US international. Okay, that's language and the language of the keyboard. Get started. Let's connect. So it's like this. Let's connect. Loading. Google Terms of Service. Let me zoom for you. And check this. We don't need any optional help. Accept and continue. Determining device configuration. We will get the lock, that's sure. I feel it. I hope. No. So let's hope. I have to finish this as quick as possible. And recording videos made it even longer. That's the issue with me in recording videos. That's why I don't record anything every work I do. Just can't. So yes, we got the lock. So talking about recording videos of repairing, so many guys have asked me to do board repairing videos, but I just can't for the moment. So I am usually disturbed and I get distracted, or can't concentrate on fully concentrate on my work when I am recording. So I hope I will do that in future, but then it won't be on the shop, maybe on at home or somewhere else, which I won't at least get disturbed by people. Here in the shop I am usually disturbed by people. So now we have to use the USB to do fresh installation of the Chrome OS. As you can see, we got again the lock. Let's power off again, escape, refresh, power button, 5 seconds, release. Once we got the screen, the message on the screen which says that the OS is corrupted, or I don't remember what it says, Chrome OS is missing or damaged, you simply insert the, let me zoom again for you before inserting. So when you get this, you insert the USB like this. So it went off and then will come. So here you are about to recover your computer. Please make sure it is plugged into a power source. If you want to cancel recovery, press the power button and hold it down until the computer turns off. This takes up to 8 seconds. It is safe to do this at any time during verification. Anytime during verification, which means now. Now it says here verifying the integrity of your recovery media. So if you have to cancel the installation, do it now. Otherwise, let that finish or give error, or I don't know what. What's important is that you don't break your Chrome. So normally it doesn't take a lot of time with Chrome's install, but I don't know about this one. Okay, meanwhile I will take a look at our ORS server. Okay, it seems calm, so I am the only one working late at night. Yes, I know it's day for some others, depending on the region, but it's calm over here. Okay. Verifying the integrity of your recovery media, still running. The verification is still running. Okay, let's wait. So some may ask a question: what's the purpose of patching the BIOS? If you don't patch your main BIOS, even if you do a fresh or new installation like this one, you won't get rid of that enrollment. You will get each time your device is locked, or this device can't be used by anyone, or you will get, depending on the model, on the brand, you will get where to enter a page in which you are asked to give some information like address, email, and password. Usually the address email is what is used, usually the address email. So that's why your BIOS has to be patched. And if you want, if some of you who are watching now this video want to learn how the BIOS file is modified to work in this case, you just have to download, for example, in the internet, a patched file with the original from with the original, like for example in Badcaps or in Vinafix. You download two files, one which has the enrollment, the other one which is patched. If you find, and you will find in the internet, and you compare the two files using any hex editor and try to understand what patching looks like. So many guys are asking me in Telegram, in WhatsApp, in Discord server, if I can do learning, which means teaching, sorry, if I can teach people. My answer is that I can't for the moment do any teaching, either in a local or in via internet. First of all, because of time, and secondo, I can't teach everything. So, and in our work, we in fact need to, if you want to learn, you have to work hard on your own. So, and to learn in this field of repairing motherboards or repairing BIOS files, you simply need two things: patience. You have to be patient, and comparison. So look at the work of the others in the internet and try to compare. I know that some of you understood what I exactly mean. Also, there's another thing which will make you learn, is that those tools which are used to deal with the BIOS files, like these tools here, let me zoom. So as you can see here, I have some here which I use every day. So, and there are others, so I don't want to put everything on my desk top, on my desk, sorry. Let's remove this, we don't need it anymore. Patching done. So try to do work, for example, like this one, for this Extractor. Extractor is used to extract binary files from le nouveau executable BIOS files. Sorry, our Chrome is ready. System recovery is complete. Please remove the recovery media and your computer will restart automatically. Done quickly. That's fine. Let's remove. So I was saying this work, it's not something that we can learn in school or in a shop. It's something that you will learn by experience, so you have to work every day. And for BIOS, for example, for BIOS, for modern and current BIOS files, you have to read about the BIOS from the beginning. You have to understand what is BIOS, how it functions, the types, the different types of BIOSes, which different brands, different enterprises are using in their machines, and so on. So you have to understand things in order to work on them. Have to modify something, you have to understand. So do you want to activate Chromebooks? No, don't bother me with your voice right now. English United States, yes, let's keep the language. So let's connect. So it doesn't matter if you see me type in the code of my network. I will change it. I change it regularly. So connect. Loading. If I got a page with where to put on email, then it's okay. Accept and continue. Let's zoom for you. So you child. So here this zoom in makes thing worse. Next. Yes, that's cool. Enrollment is removed. It's removed. Let's put my email. Okay. And here. Sorry, I made a mistake. And .com. Next. Oh, I have to type a very long password. So, okay. Okay, so I hope I didn't make a mistake. Next, yes, I made a mistake. So I have to check it. Okay. Let me try to recall it. The beginning of the password is okay, it's like this. I don't think. Yes, again, mistake. Anyway, let's forgot password. Let's choose to get message on my phone. If they send it, sometimes doesn't work. Will work on my. Maybe I have to change it on my PC first, then. So get a verification code. Yes, it's waiting for number 70. Send. Yeah, very yes 068068129. Next. Choose how you want to sign in. Yes, get a verification code and email. Let's get in my email in my phone. Maybe I have it there. Yes. So 830597. One email with the verification code was sent. Yes. Enter code. Next. Why? 830597. Maybe it's on old message. Let's check. Try another way. Again, email. It's not coming. The email is not coming, so come on. I have to go home. Come on, come on, come on, Google. So the email here of verification is on old one. Not that old, it's today. I have changed the code in the morning. That's why I don't cancel. I recall it right now. Let's do it on my PC here. Okay, let's just let's open up YouTube and here. Okay. Yes, I have a verification code in my email on the PC. Let's try it. 286512. Next. Wrong. Okay, but it was 2 minutes ago, which means I have to try again. Try again. Again. Let's see. Let's refresh. Share the page. Yes, I have a new one. 301933. Next. Create a strong password. Change password. Create a new password. Create it here. Okay, let's create it here. So now I have to hide. I will just put an easy one so that I will change it after. So easy one. This should be easy. This one, till here. Confirm here. Don't show it. Use letters, numbers. Okay, letters, numbers. Let's remove this. Let's remove everything. Only use letters, numbers, and common punctuation. Okay. I'm going to use only letters. Okay. Let's see. Next. Why? Use a mix of letters and numbers. Okay, I have to mix them. Okay. Why? Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbol to create a strong password. Okay, here's the symbol, this one. Okay, and here's the numbers. Let's confirm. Here's the symbol. And here's the numbers. Identical. Next. Wow. What's this? Identical. Next. I got a message on the phone, which means that's okay. The password of your Google account changed. Yes, I know. No thanks. And check this. And do we have here? United States. Backup to Google, no. Thank you, don't backup. Use location, no. Accept. And don't give me that lock. There won't be any lock as we have entered a new email account. So I have to change it, of course, before giving this Chromebook to the customer. Google Assistant skip. accept and continue. Accept what? Connect to your phone. No thanks. You are all set. Okay, get started. Let me show that disk. Close. This. You have your applications and your disk is empty. It's cool. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. So this is how you do it with Chromebooks. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. See you soon in the next one. Bye bye.